Do you have a broken remote control for your TCL Mini LED TV? From natural wear and tear to an actual bend? Friends, I have the official fix for you. Here we have an updated remote control that works seamlessly with any TCL Mini LED TV on the market today. It's virtually compatible with everything. And the main kicker here is that it's an official remote control replacement from TCL. No need to worry about which generic control should I buy, that 90% of them don't even work or feel hollow with no heft to it. This is an official controller, and the app buttons actually work. As you can see here, my remote control for my TCL Mini LED QM8 from 2023 has gone through some really wear and tear, even with a cracked back, and I even lost the cover. But the official remote replaces everything. It looks good as new. Here for more pictures of the controllers. You can see my controller has gone through a lot with that crack at the bottom and the actual wear and tear of the buttons. This is the closest, cheapest, and easiest fix I've been able to find on the internet. Besides you going naturally to TCL and asking for an official replacement from the actual TV model, because this remote controller does not light up like the original. Also, the app buttons are changed. Apple TV, Pluto TV, some things are changed around, but they are basically identically the same. So let's get to some usage, and you'll be able to hear what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna stay quiet for a bit, but you'll be able to hear the button presses and how fast and responsive this controller is with the TV. Friends, look no further. This is the controller replacement at an affordable price that you've been looking for. Here at $19.99, an official TV remote, the RC813, and it works with basically all TCL TVs. It works with my QM8 from 2023, QM6K, and QM7K of last year. So there you have it, friends. No need to get a generic replacement controller when TCL has an official replacement for you. It works perfect, other than not lighting up like the original, and the app placement being a little bit different. Friends, I hope you found this video helpful to get you that remote that you've been missing, that you actually threw out the window, or that you actually broke yourself for whatever reason. No judgment here. Hit that subscribe button if you want more videos just like this one, showcasing display technology to help you make that awesome buying decision. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.